Hi, and welcome to our small unboxing video of the inductive couplers. Inductive couplers are our solution for wire-free and wireless power and data transmission. So, inductive couplers always come in a set, so you always need two pieces. First of all, the primary side and the secondary side. You can just go right ahead and box them. So you always have the small Quickstart guide with some technical data, some approval stuff. You always get these nuts here for mounting the couplers. If you want, we also have a very broad portfolio, of course, of mounting brackets and stuff like that. So now you have the primary side in this case and the secondary side. The primary side always goes into the I/O link master, and the secondary side always goes into the I/O link device. And as you can see here, the LEDs are already blinking, so the inductive coupler is getting the power. And now you can just connect them with a transmission distance of 7 millimeters, and you're good to go. The connection is done. And if you now want, you can do some settings of the I/Link device, in this case in an inductive sensor. You can just see it here in our Turck Automation Suite. And we can open it up in the IODD configurator. You can do some parameter settings. You can already see the process data, in this case, of the inductive sensor. And the good thing, or our USP in this case, is that we can also do some settings for the inductive coupler itself. So if we want to do that, we have the button here, Configure I/Link Coupler. And the IODD of the inductive coupler is automatically loaded, and you have some possibilities to read out some diagnostic data like operating hours, internal temperature, the coupling event counter, and stuff like that. You can do some output settings, PNP, NPN, input output, stuff like that. And if you want, you can also turn off the dynamic pairing. By doing that, the primary side is only allowed to talk to a very specific amount of secondary sides. So it can be useful sometimes. But this was our small unboxing video. Thank you very much. If you want to learn more about our wireless I/O link cables, feel free to contact us. Thank you very much.